There was a higher juicy news. Mima Bawumia Kwaba Ahari latest hot and era me de brabo. Enuti so we subscribe to channel idea bomodi say or be subscribe. There we are say or be click the subscribe button. Now a barely notification. We understand video for be upload no. When the first person once ever can a yes how we do it. I feel we are what I give you no. Give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up nafi. Shema or Fofroso na when you be here now who as someone ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi tentemara yebura ye as sebon abeto yepno we kutie AS report yi sansemi abeto dwa moment yi sansemi
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia fiti next week ekro EOCO ede ne ho nsem nyina ba abeto abonten na MPP fo motwe mu tan EOCO OSP ede Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia betum se Wontumi someone fa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia mpo antumu a omo baye ne se poso se mo ye asombrache na mo de Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia represent MPP 2028 ya mo kan hu se ye nya ene presidential candidate yes Samira Bawumia se wonim die free soro eba enka wahye dade eche yes me mmoso but eba wi a mo de mebo bebreme Samira Bawumia, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, bloggers na motua wonka. Se woni di Kennedy Agyapong atem no. Mumma won defend mo kro no na mabo no. Na se EOCO so mo panchi a, they should defend you. Na ye behwe. As far as Mr. Frank Adane, and Mr. Bawumia Christian ye wo ho. Wo ye Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter, wo da. Omo be hihye bebre be ba bonten, but enkusi aga. Me say wo da. Na we hold their balls. We control them. Dia ye pe na ye beye. Se say Ghana fo nyina achere meni Mr. Abrifajan Sapo. Omo say Mr. Abrifajan Christian, woni Mr. Frank Adane mubuoniye. Na indeed ye ka information manager, ye ka se political prophet ya. Mo ye number 1. Na yenkwa na ye wo social media platform. We are for Ken TV on YouTube wa ye kano kure mani si so pepe ni nyina ne se ye nyina ye nim abre nyina feles information a ye deba na ye kire mu se information a ekura ye edi adanse ye pefe se chama Wontumi ni media ye be close ni down ade e kye ya ye se chama Wontumi FM ya close ni down eno na Ghana for dwen ho amonti ase omo se Mr. Frank Adane woni Mr. Abrifajan Christian mo ye die nipa in fact ye de nase be manyankopon na ye de nase ama ahwefo ne atiefo a mutie ye mo amofre ye ma ye information nyankopon enka mo ho se mama ye ni atro na ya dwene Ghana ho na mama mo this information again. Sa wonim se madin kan aka kire mo se EOCO toto Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ano na nyame ya adoma fiti next week eko information a ya toto Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no nyina no ebeba abonten na make way on records wo do honorable Kennedy Agyapong we ye Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter me say wo da bloggers ene amanfo a Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia apia wonka se woni di Kennedy Agyapong atem me say munye kom na Kennedy Agyapong nyame bekasa na per the information that I have say MPP for ye mistake na omodi Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia di MPP anim for 2028 ya. In the 2028 election, na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia odem. Se onamu mpo a kwanya yede no befamu no Ghana ni bia ni ho de beto aba ama no. Esan se yetoto na no adanse a yensa kan ye no edi adanse ye pefe se oman kronkron Ghana sika efa ne nsase. Asem we ya mekan NPP mpanimfo bebre omunim enu ntina mpanimfo bi mu a omo ben Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia eneyi omo start etete won ho bebre so anya divided attention na feles no enye ni nyina na me de beba because ye ka de esese me de ba no ye ka kire me e na de ene kwan se me de ba bia no na eno nso so omo aka kire me mate se Samira Bawumia edidi Kennedy Agyapong atem se Kennedy Agyapong attack Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na wo de me se ye wo kurom ha munye din na ye behu de besi wo atentenhu otua woto me se Ghana na ye gina ho ako ama no enye political party yes enye political party enti chama Wontumi mekaye MPP fuo bi mu ne Ghana fuo bi mu di matem se me say party na mi bisa wo mi amatimi ahunu aba beka se nka wotie ya enka wantimi amfa anya wo corrections ana. And man, let me tell you, I am not ever ready say me compromise with anybody say what the bonnet na yenkata ye bonnet so and I be defender ensi da. That is the warning. Even Mr. Refugee Christian dear mama, and even for God, man and Ghana, I will never compromise. And yes say ABOB fee say me Frank Adane, me name Mr. Refugee Christian say omoba be hunu ya ye be kire omo akwan bi ombefa so omo ho beto omo da bi enka frima opare nka magya na semka amanfo a frima opare asom omo so omo ne menkasa na me de mo a wo ka no kra no na ho kra ye mahimo because one nwene Ghana ho se nka wo dwene Ghana ho a kanye na ne Ghana fo ye bre entime de se de one nwene Ghana ho na watimi abo oban kronkron Ghana kro no ama Ghana ma ebre no nokure bia mahu bia no me de beba abetudwa and here you may dislike me. I am Ghana and I must defend and protect my country Ghana. Chama Wontumi say me catch them say how Chairman Wontumi is doing ne de da animu a eba no Chama Wontumi bedam when we say enne Chama Wontumi epa yewura John Dramani Mahama chew say mahuno na mi bisa MPP for na ma bisa Ghana for say aden na yeye outside gentility home cry yeba abonten a na ya send message to Ghanaians say NDC John Dramani Mahama ban any security hunahuna MPP for tete Chama Wontumi na MPP mpan mu wiya kokoa mu na masanso kopa John Dramani Mahama chew miura John se wo ankasa wo begi achew pa na tumu a ese moara se yesi mu di security hunahuna MPP for me de John ahunu bi danti abo aserewa odi ni ba ho agora na wayi na no ato nchen se ya na President Akufo Addo yeye na from 2017 to 2020 now that was a chance here in case MPP to me to break it down NDC. Yes. Even 2016, now case you were John Dramani Mahama political career acquired. But because of Chrono, na ewo ye MPP for 3 muntino. Omoka ye kana omoba be pacha ope na ye jai. Na no te Flagstaff House, Jubilee House, and na oje acheopa. Because onimse ono so obeye. You scratch my back and I also scratch your back. But now, NDC say no, we are not scratching any back. Now this should be advised to every politician. We are NDC appointee na wutenye tie na tie niye. Emre ye ninka so. De ekwa so enne no ebetumi ato ochena. So we ya wo niema yi a. Yes. Ene Chama Wontumi pachew. Na Chama Wontumi ma menka nkyira wo say, radio station na ye gunu no ene wo media na ye gunu no you are very lucky say you were John Dramani Mahama say or ma amnesty na ye ma won grace period but you were John may your amnesty that you are giving to them no me to me I disagree because open freedom for media and journalism but ye misaya who say the omo ye no is it for the interest of the country? It's for their own interest. It is for their own interest. Now, destroy Omanumpa. This freedom doesn't need here. Because when we talk of limitation of rights, whenever there is a suspect of crime. Whenever say yachill say wadi on my bonnet and I wadi nipa bonnet, you are right limit. It is all these media stations, you know, or more di on my kron Ghana bonnet, or more add misinformation, pollute the minds of Ghanaians, or moon to your tax. Sika so mudi to your mouth, my more money £2, or more no chabe, na omuntia. Let the Lord deals with them. Not say, oh, Pachawa Momo, Mr. President. Though some people are hailing you, but Mr. President, I'll not hail you. Yemamra, anyone near Juma. Semranona, ebech say, Yema almost some grace period there. Fair enough. We go to the Constitution and make that. But Mr. President, say Yachiobi, Ewo. Nyema bone kwanso na ube issue statement say we are pardoning them, Mr. President, emwa magana enkoso na MPP mpanimfo ekura pese yegu Wontumi media unim their assertion is Wontumi ka ho bi na MPP lose 2024 elections because almost kwanya Wontumi media fa so Ekikan sembi eshe Ghana for abufuo no enema Ghana for eto abaditia MPP. Especially they use the case study of Greater Accra. Uhwe Greater Accra seat 35 MPP winning only 5. Ye lose wama ebin sida. Na uhwe kwanya Wontumi movement, Wontumi media. E fa so kekan sem eye campaign. They know they hold the power. Mahamadu Bawumia the DRTM vice president ye before enen sem bebre. I don't want to talk about it. Mahamadu Bawumia made near the other. All these issues, as compared to Brana MPP war position, now I'm making comparative analysis. How Oman FM, Ken City Media, etimi jina ye fit and fair campaigning for MPP, my MPP gaining power. So Wontumi is doing worse than good. Eti MPP impani for na ankasa, omo peneso say you close it down Wontumi media. This is the inside information. Me nyame say asema America biano pempenes ni pen meka na se meboa wo de mra wo ho momfa me nkona monkosi me na Wontumi ohene ba ne mo amoye adwuma Wontumi media no mon starting fa mo ho adwen esan say interviews ahodo a mo ne Wontumi grante ye na as journalist Wontumi antene Wontumi bra na all kan sama ensem fata munyina mo so mu case eba fila meka fila no bi yam dwim eno na monti ase no but me no I am doing good because se me de ba bontia ense wo da ho so but Yewra vice president Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia me see obedem per the information that I have obedem me munim se me information enfeli so EOCO for betwe na abo so OSP betwe na abo so and nokure ne sika no so afa ne nsase just one issue properties on na yere akwai emae wo ene wo Samira Bawumia Wontumi nya Akuku Addo eka say we are sharing ideas na mama de secret wo de mama mfante me ba me ye hu adwuma nti mama mfante wo Wontumi nya Akuku Addo ene wo brother oye military officer mobilizing military from the Jubilee House. Sisa Ghana Armed Forces, their ammunition say a monotia rubber. Echo say MPP financier Ghana need this year properties over 60 million Ghana cedis properties. We are talking of arrogance of power. Who and now when you could draw the casa at Ken Agyapong. Hey Samira, what may country or say that Ken Agyapong can say a casa ye can was a man. But worry begu. I know you. I have your information. Send out till La Paz. Be man quine. Then now you know. Cast Ben and never be you. Please don't go right there. Samira, don't go right there. What committee or bloggers? Na would yes, you come on, or me go Ken Agyapong and Nimase, or me di Ken Agyapong at them. Me say more. Dear Baba Kromuhano. What dear, from now to a certain month, let's see what will happen. Not me Pobia. Obabe jina Babaka say free as mercy. Mudi boni wie na mra so mo panchi a afa na mo be sympathy. Samira Bawumia a second lady na ye pia okasen. Wo bag nko a na wo sensen na eye sen. Unya sika no wo he. Bechirem wo dia wukunu na sese ono kra na onim kasa MPP fo mpanimfo no omo se onim kasa oyi enra chairman frem omo se Frank yesra se o kasa men kasa MPP mpanimfo na no omo de mam we dey general term yeah MPP mpanimfo na kasa omo se Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia onim kasa oye too no so ena kwan a ye toto na no so no fidie no ache no e de ne ko wo ko defend wo yere ukunu ewo EOCO Samira Bawumia se wonim kasa na ye de humbleness na ebu oman e ma ne ye ya dollar no na etesen even vice president ye ma me Jane na opoku agyemai on economic background just educational background sabi on tia pompo atimi head the economic management team the dollar a free 17 cedis e dey about 10 cedis say 11 cedis o onya de na wo a wo so ye economic messiah wo na wakọ hwan suku na wantumi anye na obi asabi mo se oye baifo mo dinatam agu nanim ase na even po se eye artificial 1 month ya sidi no ahoɔden na akɔsoro no Ghana fo baako anase mienu bi ho atɔwɔ enne se de na system no sitie no se nye se Ghana fo ye kura subammɔne a enka now ye betumi ama niema bo akɔfom but because of yesuni ye banti we use every advantage to create wealth for ourselves without thinking about this country and the people we are living with. Yes, asenso Boakye ono so ne nsada ne nsayam pachaw den but asenso Boakye achaw pa o pa bia no enya adwuma nne enya adwuma ochina. That is the information am wo. Asenso Boakye Henry Koti asenso Boakye dey start ya o pachaw nya ne wa pachaw wa da emfa o me say emfa yeti kuromu ha ye ka nokura kire mo dia mu ye nyo mo se da me Frank Adane me ye MPP me ye hwan na ne emra so opa achi ye me say wo hwe the list no about 160 appointees as say ya grele omo na minim say as time goes on OSP Attorney General omo di all this list beba na e ho na minim say no de mo be so but now no because of the credibility and how you know us in Intino, and you're new to us, you. Etimon University, all the fellas ya mediaba, and Nina Babu life and colored. Nina Babu, so wouldn't him MPP in Penny for no pa. Bisomo catch almost say Mr. Frank Adana see, none of crab in the room. Omona ya now, ya won't cry or more. Almost even a summer. Omo gwene ho wo mutrima omunyan kanchire obi bia wo behwe na me minister Brefajan Christian ete we are for Ken TV na ye ka but de meka kire Ghana nyina ne say in fact ye ni nokore ma ye ho ye ni nokore e ma ye ho se ye gwene Ghana ho a Nyankopon besoma na bofo ama wona brayen information ne nimdia ni nyansa ye betimi dia boa ye man ti mesre Samira Bawumia, Mrs. Woodnim de free soro ba enka wahye dade che. Samira, me say, Woodnim de free soro ba enka sabre enka wahye dade che. Na wontumi say na wontumi pachew, akaka bensem ne awuru kasem a wontumi yeye. Manwe na wieye. O pachew. Na John Dramani Mahama in fact, witirimu yo enka we nka wie ya pa nanka wo CCTV camera no nanka wa yi agum yes wa yi agum wo yi gum wie na Ghana fo ahuno wo da me ye video wi me bro ba ko freme o ma me fela ma mintie na me ba me fa no so nka ho se me ka kire mo se ye freme ama me information fela se ya me ne mo kasai ko na mi tie ye fila ode maame ene se NPP Bantama constituency chairman ye friend Fifi Mensa yusu Bantama constituency din de kwaje Maslock loan na loan na Fifi Mensa de Bantama constituency din kwaje ye no wamfa sika no ankoma Bantama constituency ono ankasa dibu ni botom ediye enti new maslok document edi adanse na eno nso so eho asem ebeba na asem a mekan fifi mensa bantama MPP constituency chairman asenso Boakye bantama MP oyawe enu ntina meka asem na wo a mebo udin ufi se frankadane mebo a na wakwa kosiu me eti bantamafo wutie mi atie na tie niye mo constituency no mo NPP chairman fifi mensa ene mo MP asenso Boakye aton mo ene mo MP asenso Boakye pa John Dramani Mahama chaw gidigidi but emfa yes na mamen misa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia assemwe one ne yire Samira Bawumia se ye tobi a oye humble na politics na ye no expression of ideas in a constructive manner eba ne sen na omotua sika ama abaiwa na ye friend Ghana jollof owo UK odidi Kweku Agyapong atem this Ghana jollof eye samia wukumpana ena samia wukudi na akwhye UK ena omuwa sanso atwa sika ama no se onidi Kweku Agyapong atem and Bawumia ne nkrofo no de omo ye ne se omo no omo ma but omo betwa sika ama amanfo ahye won se wonidi Kweku Agyapong atem na me se Kweku Agyapong nyame te ase Kweku Agyapong kan bibiara but Kweku Agyapong nyame ebekasa ma me fa kwanya we so abrantia owo YouTube ye fra Nsempi TV this is your last warning we are Ghana ni na wutie mi a we are Kweku Agyapong fan and supporter na wutie mi a me se wa subscribe wa go and unsubscribe na nipa wa hunu se we nipa bone bebria nyame ne tua woka ye wo kromu ha wo de amonhwe de nyankopon befa so atua sa Nsempi Ghana ka Nsempi wo modi Kweku Agyapong na building mo channel so obehwa kura na omo bedi Kweku Agyapong atem kura mpo a Kweku Agyapong adanse wadi amomo just to build a youth channel na won so won sa akwa no watimi afa adwumayefo e na omudi kan play na omo play wi a na masanso wadi Kweku Agyapong atem agunani ase Nsempi yako programs a mohomobo but ye dwene nipa ho nti mranti adwuma ni kurom mo so mo ye bi na in our own wisdom ye promote mo na ye ma Kweku Agyapong e ma mo shut down and every time every day Kweku Agyapong shut down na mo use to entice people na mo wi a mo sanso di Kweku Agyapong atem na mo de in fact this week I'm very tight me shada aba mo so na minim say there are many people me unim say fella no de we ma boso yi amanfo obefre me e de more fellas ya breme na mo de se mo se makwaji sika sei Kweku Agyapong ho mo makwaji sika sei Kweku Agyapong na wo kurom ha e babbo mu mini mu te se de bro abom no me se Kweku Agyapong ye nini bone mfa ye hu ni o Kweku Agyapong ye nini bone emfa ye hu ni ye misa Samira Bawumia ene Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia media ne bloggers ye twa sika ma o se omo ni di Kweku Agyapong atem we from your main source yes Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia say ye ka say oh we kasa ma ope onwene ho na watam sika no boom esan say enye ne de wa mre no nyaaye na ho asem ba enti Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia wo media fo na watwa sika ma no mo ni fende wo EOCO no na wo kwa akodam ena hia Samira Bawumia me se wonim de afiri soro ba nka wa hye dade eche ka wo metena se mebie wa no enkasa me maka kire mo me se yefra me di asempa atentenwo tua woto me huru ntiraja na wo atentenwo tua woto bia no na wo se wo be huru ntiraja no ebe hyew yes we don't fear anybody we are not afraid of anybody so what di Ghana bone what di Ghana ni bone ye bemma omo hu say yes you don't deserve to lead this country can we at the actually will say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia fiti next week ekro EOCO at the ne ho nsem nyina ba beto abonten na MPP fo motwe mu tan EOCO OSP at the Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia betum se wantumi so mo amfa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia mpo antumu a omo beye ne say poso se mo ye asombrache na mo de Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia represent MPP 2028 ya mon kai hu se ye nya any presidential candidate. Yes, na Samira Bawumia se wonim die free soro eba enka wahye dade che. Yes, me moso but eba wi a mo de mebo bebre me wo ha se ensem bia ekwaso bia no nyame besoma na bofo na mo de abreye. Samira Bawumia, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, bloggers na motua wonka se woni di Kennedy Agyapong atem no momma won defend mo kro no na mabo no na se EOCO so mo panchi a they should defend you na ye behwe ene wontumi wo pachew sa wo so ye bema mo ba bonten ebegu John Dramani Mahama ni Ghana security EOCO NIB OSP animase se ye hunahuna mo ye tete mo ye tata mo na mo wi a mo fa sumase kwa akopache wo bahunu ma wiye na mimpo bra mi fiti ka se mu eye ne mu di mi atem me Frank Adane. I'll never lie because of my country first. Na me ka kire honorable Kennedy Agyapong fans and supporters nyina say me say as far as Mr. Frank Adane and Mr. Abrefejan ye wo ho obi ada ona me say as far as Mr. Frank Adane Eddie Mr. Abrefejan Christian ya wo ho wo ye Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter wo da omo be hwehwe bebre be ba bonten but enkusi aga me say wo da na we hold their balls, we control them dia ye pe e na ye beye. Yes, wo say wo da na di oso ye be ma no on challenge me ni Mr. Abrefejan Christian ye ni atroda ye wo challenge ya fa ye court na ye me ya no
of people are more kase na Kennedy and kase ye baby of final who na one no enam who say me some question ni America
a rhetorical question. You don't demand an answer, don't worry. I just want to throw it out there to the ordinary people. First, mathematics. Ye pese full soldiers are more Ghana mu aye wo mo that time Professor Dubois na me miswa but me hu ye me of afoi miensa and the founding fathers of MPP. Me me tie ya mo sorry ana o kikan sim hu party ne ye dia me kan se ma chotie Professor Dubois Oba no onye vice president on wanye obi a running mate wanye buzi a running mate for 8 years mi buzao Professor Dubois mu an mu tie no Professor Albert Dubois satam Rollins are transferred from military rule at the Aba 1992 establishment of 1992 constitution. Afe ni nyina ye pepe ya hodan kwa buzia club empenifo me kaise na me wo fa mom committee na du asabre nom ni me wo fa fom penifo committee na almost start om de adubu ahe baaye no. It was just a few months,
3 months
to an election. Professor Dubois, the name anu anyano was the traction of talking about culture of silence, writing books on history, and people knew him as somebody no vociferous and no kasa against Rawlings leadership. MPP for say, ye dene kwa ebebwa uti and MPP for presenting within that short time. One, na Professor Dubois, na onye obi running mate wankodi buzia running mate ana okodi MPP. Those days Vito Usunum, baby, when you be a change political traction. Compare that to Dr. Bawumia. Now, Akufo Addo is one of the most popular politicians at that time. We Rawlings and Akufo Addo, Eddie J. Akufo. Popular. So if this man appoints you as his running mate, do you know the political mileage that you get? 8 years. 8 good years. Adubuahi when nyamu say one day kuraso okodi buzia china buzia anase obi running mate ana wan leaders on buy no wenya eno ye one Adubuahi ama me vice president of the Republic of Ghana for 8 years mumusa Adubuahi mebeboa mo amunim no historians obiani J.K. the same thing. J.K. wa meye obi the only thing oya say foreign minister Adabuzia and no any vice president or compare and obi a running mate for a popular politician or compare with the difference.
to can be sister doctor
Nana Addo Danko Akufo Addo me ba tobo ase brebe ma tobo me do ko no ma no makro ma nya ho prebu ensem no de dɔɔso pa fax no bebre o je Akufo Nana Addo Danko Akufo Addo wa ma me obi running mate ansa be di vice president ansana ye electing as a flag bearer, and yet few months the performance and the da 30-something%, right? Few months MPP for say and no grant oh there may be another exclusive you there to one day mediate MPP for say cratchy transe you go for before from Fadamra na o performance we there enkoyi Akufo Addo assign Abetedu wan san buy oni je Akufo be contest here no MPP for rejecting no, and we should set the record straight. Je Akufo obaye no the area finish said there was a great alliance few months party ni putu ni oma together and okoye opajamu about 41% party ni ka se on be regroup no man san ba but omo ba na party no ti ye hwe ne performance no compared to the nyoma oye no if you see ye beto an so and okoye no ko wini. Now when it comes to key fundamental things a woman and they say yeah the candidate are elections, the reason why Akufo Addo Dubuahin ni na say MPP a camp party NDC Mahamadu Bawumia be ka kire nyina say o de mu minua Dr. Bawumia odi mochi o de di o mochi eduru say leadership ba MPP for few they will never vote for you and MPP delegates Enya Reshemu said, no, we are not an account party. No, we will not accept this. We have a vice president who is a Muslim. We have a vice president who is a northerner. We want to prove to every Tom, Dick, and Harry, say, we are not. And again, the party will get more votes from the North and the Zongo community to complement Asante and other strongholds of the MPP. Meboa and MPP for their honkika any day any ekotu abanu boom, even though there was an establishment support and remember how and omode man now check the data no and am de man no tie our candidate didn't call 2024 election. He lost onya 0-0 over 30 polling stations in the northern region. 0. Adubuahin, Je Akufo, Utie, Adubuahin, Je Akufo, Nana Addo Danko Akufo Addo. None of these candidates are moving free north. Enya 0, sir, in over 30 polling stations. And that's the main reason why we wanted to prove Mahama that we have a northern candidate like him. We have a Muslim candidate. But yet, our candidate now, or see, your man a second chance. No? He got 0 in over 30 polling stations.
And what you're saying?
Polling stations are one northern region, no? 3 northern regions, no? 30. Unya 0.
Until 0 no nya no HRS. Na me ubebuza me ko buza no e
kyerese
debate na osusu se because say mo na munya sa gidie no se meba o ka ho ya munya gidie se zongo communities no se mo de Dr. Bawumia ba on beto aba e de amamo Muslims e beto aba e de amamo yet mo de naba na se mo akwa bakodi ntwo ayete sa na me busa se e de benti na kyerese se nipa na na mususu se mo benya vote free na mo anya no e kyerese mo se den
well you go and ask the party delegates.
Okay,
go and ask the party delegates.
We are delegates.
Me baso enya no nko a.
Okay.
Enya no nko a. Akufo Addo eba power. The first thing abra and it's over set up a Zongo community because we thought we have that kind of MPP and PSM Zongo form PSM Ntida no say day you push an agenda of Zongo community development. Never whole ministry was established. We have a vice president who was having oversight responsibility as a running mate and a leader. What's not say I a running mate for 8 years. I was a vice president. You say this time the Zongo hodie you be fan fala. In fact, on one crab no can say the Dr. Bawumia badia Zongo and in northern region you be fan form. I was so happy because me and me in particular, God is my witness. The only argument I was always making is that once we have a candidate who is from the north and candidate for the first time who is a Muslim, we will sweep.
And on that TV, no.
The north, the Muslim votes and the Zongo votes. Now check the statistics. Apart from Winnie Bazungu, you lose all the Zongos in the country. I'm saying you have an electric magnetic strategy. And it's in my honor, Nyame, Edi Wafufi. We lost all the Zongos apart from Winnie Bazungu. You are a delegate. These are the facts. Dr. Bawumia, I love him. He's an intellectual. He's a smart guy. But these are the facts. And as a political analyst and a political scientist, me feel say a big problem as a political party. So person will call to an election and you want to win an election and you want to go and recycle the same problem and go out there. Because total rejection rate, I know analysis was almost about 71.2% rejection rate across the country for our candidate. To your political party, now so person we need power. Me na be na kan say so obetimi do maame kura ko na yedi tumi ama wa unya tumi ade akojo maame. Now the analogy I no mo ye na Kennedy Agyapong na no me de post we beto hoyi omo di matem wo na Kennedy Agyapong is he a candidate. How can Kennedy Agyapong be president? You are not sensible than the Americans. Donald Trump was they look America for na media no a friend say he is a riffraff. No for the table. Somebody that they can't even imagine him being the president. But Americans say they can see a leader in him. Now, throughout the historical facts, professor, research about it. Now, no matter how say every great leader now leader unique they have one characteristics about them. That's the main reason why I support Kennedy Agyapong, is that they have a little bit of craziness in them. Every leader oye great what be we asia wa achieve bibia the din da ho ebesi ne bia wo that kind of craziness.
And do you think sir we are such leader now? Because
one man uncle for na anti the American asia would a true question to me we are no hit me. The reason is that Winston Churchill, Adolf Hitler, Napoleon Bonaparte mentioned some of the great leaders in the world. Omunina, such a character runs through them. Yakoho, ye baba be defeating. Winston Churchill share denwa the soldiers crush. How can you go to war with such military uni bibia ubetimi dia standing them?
Yo, it for we ni ensemo abeto yepno so ka say so when subscribe to channel dia bo modian say over subscribe and say had the latest hot enko Aramede bravo. Na fe wa like video no give us a thumbs up afi share ma wo foforo so na wonye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo ano. Ozo betimi a share wadwen afaye ensem we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mobeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.